What if I told you that you could earn money online without creating your own product? That's the power of affiliate marketing. Welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about affiliate marketing for beginners, step by step, with live examples. Affiliate marketing is simple at its core. You promote someone else's product or service. When people buy through your link, you earn a commission. No inventory, no customer service, and no big startup costs. Just connecting people to solutions they already need. So how do you get started? Step 1. Choose a niche you care about. It could be fitness, tech, beauty, finance, or anything you're passionate about. Step 2. Find affiliate programs in that niche. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are great places to start. Step 3. Pick products that actually help people. Remember, trust is your most valuable currency. Step 4. Create content that educates and inspires. This could be blogs, YouTube videos, TikToks, or even email newsletters. Your content should show how the product solves a real problem. Step 5. Add your affiliate links naturally. Don't just push sales. Guide your audience toward the solution. Now let's talk about live examples. Think of a fitness YouTuber recommending workout gear. Or a blogger sharing their favorite software tools with affiliate links. Or an Instagram creator promoting skincare with product links in their bio. These are everyday people turning content into income. And you can do the same. Affiliate marketing rewards consistency and trust. The more valuable your content, the more sales you'll make over time. Ready to take your growth to the next level? Visit Transform Academy's website for more blogs and resources by clicking the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more learning content.